family, welcome back. I hope you're doing great, guys. So today I'm going to do something interesting. I hope this video is gonna come out so well. And guys, today I'm planning to do my hair, that is to plait it, and I'm going to do braids. And first of all, I'm going to wash it. Then after that, I'll be applying oil, that is coconut oil, and I'll show you that. And then I'll section it so that I can make the work easier. So guys, let's get down to it. Yeah, I'm going to use a shower to wash it, then I'll come back. So guys, I'm done with washing my hair and I'm going to section it in small pieces, and then I'm going to apply this coconut oil. So guys, this is the final look. I've done my twist and nimebakisha tu kufanya braiding. Yeah, so see you tomorrow as we do braiding. Along and I've already sectioned my braids to this side. Hey guys, so this is the final look of my braiding and it's so pretty. I've really tried and done my best. That's a kudos. Yeah, this is the final look. So guys, you can try this at home at your free time. You don't have to go to the salon. You can buy braids and you can do something like this. So that's it for today's video. Hope you've learned something, and make sure you do subscribe to our channel. If you're a guest, you are very welcomed to our family. And remember also to comment and tell me what you think about these braids. Also remember to put a thumbs up. And guys, make sure you subscribe and share out our videos. We love you guys. Peace out. Make sure you stay safe. Adios.